Every day, most of us throw onion peels and potato peels straight into the trash without realizing they can still be useful in the garden. Instead of letting this kitchen waste go to waste, you can transform it into a simple homemade liquid fertilizer. It is an easy, low-cost way to recycle everyday scraps while returning some of their natural nutrients back to your plants. Although this fertilizer is not a complete replacement for compost or a balanced plant fertilizer, it can still provide beneficial minerals and organic compounds that help support healthy plant growth. To prepare it, collect the dry outer skins from about 2 pounds of onions and place them into a clean container filled with 5 liters of water. Stir the mixture once to make sure all the peels are completely submerged. Next, collect the peels from about 2 pounds of potatoes and place them into another clean container with 5 liters of water. Cover both containers with lids and keep them in a partially shaded location for at least 48 hours. As the peels soak, the water gradually extracts nutrients and natural compounds from them. Onion peels release small amounts of potassium, calcium, sulfur, and other trace minerals, while potato peels contribute potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and additional micronutrients. During this soaking period, naturally occurring microorganisms begin breaking down some of the organic material. This gentle fermentation helps release more water-soluble nutrients into the liquid. Over time, you may notice the water becoming darker in color and developing a mild, earthy smell. This is a normal part of the extraction process. One of the most valuable nutrients present in both onion and potato peels is potassium. Potassium plays an important role in helping plants regulate water, develop stronger stems, improve flowering, and produce healthier fruits. Calcium supports strong cell walls and healthy new growth, while magnesium is essential for chlorophyll production, allowing plants to maintain rich green leaves and efficient photosynthesis. Even though the nutrient concentration is lower than commercial fertilizers, this homemade solution can still provide a gentle nutritional boost for many garden plants. After 48 hours, the liquid fertilizers are ready to use. You can apply each one separately if you prefer. Onion peel fertilizer is suitable for leafy vegetables, herbs, flowering plants, and ornamental flowers. Potato peel fertilizer can be used around vegetables, fruiting plants, shrubs, and container-grown plants. If you would like to combine their benefits, pour both strained liquids into a larger container and add about 5 liters of clean water. Stir the mixture thoroughly until everything is evenly combined. This creates a larger batch of homemade liquid fertilizer containing nutrients extracted from both onion and potato peels. Apply the fertilizer directly to the soil around the base of your plants rather than spraying it onto the leaves. Feeding the root zone allows plants to absorb the nutrients more effectively. This fertilizer can be used on vegetable gardens, flower beds, herbs, and most potted plants. Applying it once every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season provides a gentle source of nutrients without overfeeding your plants. Once you have strained the liquid, do not throw away the leftover peels. They still contain valuable organic matter that can be added to your compost pile or buried directly in garden beds, where they will continue decomposing and improving soil structure. This way, every part of the kitchen waste is put to good use. Homemade fertilizers like this are not meant to replace a complete fertilizing program, but they are an excellent way to recycle kitchen scraps, reduce household waste, and return useful organic materials to your garden. With nothing more than onion peels, potato peels, water, and a little patience, you can create an inexpensive liquid fertilizer that supports healthier soil, encourages steady plant growth, and helps you make the most of everyday kitchen waste.